for Vito's Italian Cucina. Thank you for joining us. Hey, we're gonna have fun today. Guess what we're doing? We're doing a homemade pizza. Even better than a restaurant. I'm gonna show you what I have that's gonna go in the pizza. Then we're gonna make the dough from scratch, and then we're gonna bring it out after it rises, and we're gonna go ahead and stretch it out, and we're gonna put it in the oven. Oh my God, this is gonna be fabulous. Come on in, I'm gonna show you what we're gonna go on top. Here you go. We have artichokes, and then we have scallions. It's a different kind of an onion. It's a little sweeter. Then we have some garlic right here, some chopped. That's right. And then we have some pecorino Romano cheese. Then we have some red sun-dried tomatoes that go on top. Then we have our whole, that's right, they're whole hand-crushed San Marzano tomatoes. Oh, you're going to love those. Then over here we have some mushrooms. That's right. And then we have some sausage. That's right. And then we have some marinara sauce, any kind you like. And then we have our mozzarella cheese right here. So I want you to take a look at the dough making, and, don't miss this. Okay, there's 2 cups of all-purpose flour. Then I have a little flour for later. Okay, I got my warm water here. 1 teaspoon of sugar. And I'm going to dump that in just like that. Then I'm going to come over and I'm going to get my yeast. And I'm going to pour that in just like that. And then I'm going to go ahead and mix it. And there you go. Just going to mix it. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and let it set for a little while till it starts to bubble and set up. And we'll stay tuned for that. And as you can see, it's gotten foamy. Look at the foam. That's exactly what I want. Right. Okay, now I'm just going to go ahead and give it a little stir. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and take my yeast, mixed, and I'm going to pour it in, just like so. And I'm going to go ahead and stir it. And at this point, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to add my salt, my 1 teaspoon of salt. There we go. And stir it. Okay. Then, like I said before, I have a little bit of flour. I'm just going to add just a little bit more flour. It helps to release it from the sides. Okay, just a little bit of that, like that. Okay. I got my semolina that's sitting here, and this is the dough. This is the dough that from overnight. There you go. There it is right there. I'm going to put it down here for now, and this is my semolina right here. And I'm going to put some right down on the countertop just like this. And then I'm putting a little semolina over here. This is my peel, so it kind of slides off. You don't want to put too much, but you want to put enough where it kind of just slides off the peel when you put it into the oven. Yeah, how you like that? Okay, I want to talk about the semolina that I use on my peel right down here. You know what? When I had 2 pizza parlors back in Missouri in the late 60s, 70s, that'll give you some age here. I used to use cornmeal and I used semolina. I had 2 pizza parlors at that time before I went into the service. One of them was Paisano's Pizza in University City, in St. Louis, and the other one was Giambalvo's Pizza over on Airport Road, next to the airport right there. Now, since then, of course, I went in the service, I'm out, and I'm in the motion picture business now. I came to California from Missouri, and my daughter, Cheryl Giambalvo, has a restaurant 10 minutes north of the Kansas City limits in Kearney, Missouri. And there's Giambalvo's Pizza, wood fire, pizza, and grill. Hey, come join us at Giambalvo's restaurant here in Kearney, Missouri. We like to call it K-Town. And come see Cheryl Giambavo, my beautiful, darling daughter. And I might see you there. So remember, Giambavo's Pizza over there in Kearney, Missouri. All right, so let's go, guys. Here we go. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start to mix it up. And I'm just going to go ahead and do this like this one more time, just to kind of get it going. All right, it's time. I've got the dough all rolled out. I'm going to put it over on the peel. And then we're going to go ahead and dress it up. Oh, this is exciting, isn't it? Okay, here we go. We bring it over, just like so. Look at that. Oh, man, that looks good. Okay, there we go. It looks gorgeous, I gotta tell you. This is all really good. I love all this. And I hope you can use anything you want to use on your pizza, but this is for me. So now it's on my pizza peel, and I have the semolina on the bottom. And the reason it's on the bottom like that, too, is watch this. See it move? Whoa! Almost slipped off. Now it's ready to go into the oven. I put my oven at 400 to 500 degrees, and I have a pizza steel I'm using in there, so be careful. You can use a pizza, what do you call one of those pizza stones too. I like the steel, and we'll see it out. Okay, we'll check it out. So are you ready to go over there? Yeah? Meet me over at the stove. All right, here we go. Open it up and put it in. Here we go. Come on in. Just let it slip off the edge back there. Just like so. Oh, look at that. Looks great, doesn't it? Okay, here we go. By the way, you know what, your mother and your father, I don't know if you did it or not, but they used to use a paddle, you know, on my behind if I wasn't paying attention to what they needed to do. They would use this on me. I'm going to tell you, this covers the whole area, especially the size of my behind. Anyway, don't go anywhere. We'll be checking back on this in just a second. All right, exciting news. That's right. It's ready. I'm going to go ahead and take it out. I'll meet you back over at the island. Oh, this is going to be great. I'm excited. Oh my gosh, look at that. Look how gorgeous. I'll meet you over at the island. Woo! Right at ya. And down on the peel. And the bottom really looks good. Nicely done. Nice and crisp. I love it. And we're going to go ahead and put a little pecorino now. Okay. I love this kind of cheese. Okay. Little pecorino romano on top. That's what I like. Sometimes I use Parmesan, but this might be a little saltier, so be careful of your salt. That's enough. Okay. And it's time to go ahead and cut it, huh? Come on in. I'll cut it right down the middle, okay? Ooh, listen to that crunch. Oh, that sounds good. Wow. And my traditional way to cut it is in squares. That's what I used to do in my pizza parlor, and that's how I'm going to do it here. Like that. Now we'll go this way. Oh, Oh, that's so exciting. I'll go ahead and get my plate over here. Don't go nowhere. Get my little spatula here. And which one should I grab? Which one should I grab? I'm going to grab this one over here. Right here. Of course, I get the one that's not cut all the way. Let me get this. Bring it up. Oh, it's so hot. Look at that. Look at that. The artichokes, the whole tomatoes, the garlic, the sausage. Oh, my God. Let me put it down right here. Put it right in the center. All right, I'm going to go ahead and take a bite. You going to hang with me? Check it out. I hope it's not too hot. Check it out. Ooh, look. Nice texture. Everything looks great. I'm going to take the bottom corner. Oh my God, the flavors. Woo! Wow. Thank you for joining us. Here's Vito's Italian Cucina. Homemade pizza in your home. You can do it. Ciao for now.